We'll guide you through how to make a Canva background transparent. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having your Canva image transparent is really convenient because then you can go and use it and place it over other things and it hasn't got a background. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. So first of all, you want to make sure for the background that you have not got an image, otherwise that won't go and be transparent. You want to make sure you're using the canvas here. So you can then go and click on it. And what you can then do is you can go to the top here and you can go and see the option for background color. I just go and set this to be white, but you can go and use another solid color. It doesn't actually matter. Then once you've gone and got that set, I would just go and have white. It keeps it way easier. Then what you need to do is you need to head to the top right of Canva. And what you need to do is go and press share. Then you want to go to find the option for download and you can go and click there. Where it says file type, you need to go and set this to be PNG. PNG goes and allows for transparent backgrounds and for it to be clear. Then what you can do is you need to go and find the option for transparent background. So you can then go and select that like so. It's important to note that you do need to go and have Canva Pro for this, which is a subscription to Canva, it's paid. Then you can go and have that selected and you can go and press download. Let's go and wait for this to go and complete and it's now downloaded. What you can then do is go and open it up and you can go and see it's transparent because you can just go and see the text I have here. The background is a dark gray as that's just a photo viewer. But if I were then to go and put that in something else, it would just say the text and it wouldn't go and capture the white background. That's it. If you found this useful and want to see more useful Canva guides, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.